Brands. How do you know an item has a brand or not? And there are 4 fields to look on the Amazon product page. First, title. Second, images. Third, 5 bullet product features. Fourth, product description. Now we shall check that you don't see any indication of brands within these fields. Let's take a look at some examples. First, title. Now we do not have to care about this small blue field here of sport to people. But the title of this listing ends with running belt, fanny pack, iPhone 6, 7 Plus pouch for runners, best fitness gear for hands-free workout, reflective waist pack by sport to people. Now if we notice that the brand or the title indicates the same as the small blue field at the end of the title, now that indicates that this could be a brand. We shall take a closer look at the next example. Now the title for this example states Rail Relax Hydraulic Recline Barber Chair Salon Shampoo Beauty Spa Equipment Styling Chair Chow Booster Seat Cushion Black, and the small blue word is Rail Relax. So this example of the title of Rail Relax is at the front of the title, which is the same as the blue word. This we will consider as a brand, as the word Rail Relax appears at the front of the title, which is similar to the previous example of at the end of the title. If that happens, we shall take that as a brand and we shall not list. Next, let's look at the images of the product. For this example, you could see that the image of this pouch actually has the logo and a word of sport to people. This indicates that this indeed is a brand, and we cannot list this. Now further to more images, some listings have more than one image, so we have to take note and click on all images available on the listing to check for any details of brands. For this example, we see that the last image actually has a web page indicated at www.cars-usa.com/miss. Now this means that this is a seller and the website is indicated there. Therefore, this could be a brand and we cannot list. Now let's look at product features. Now for this product again, we are looking at this time at the product feature of enjoy your outdoor or gym activity with your hands-free sport to people. Now that's the first bullet point in the product of the 5 bullet point of sport to people. Now this indicates it's a brand. Furthermore, into the product features and the 5 bullet point. For this example, we see that the bullet point has Kenmore canister, and the product title also has Kenmore with the model number 52682 canister. So Kenmore could be the brand, and we shall not list this as well. Now let's look at product description. So we should scroll further down the product page and you can see the product description. Over here, the first line of the product description states sport to people. Now this is a brand and we shall not list. Another example, when we scroll down to read the product description, we see Real Relax appearing at the first sentence of the product description at the front. Therefore, it is a brand and we shall not list. Now there are exception cases to what we have, to the 4 criteria that we mentioned. Now this list fulfills the 4 criteria of title, images, product feature, and product description. However, there is a telltale sign here where there is only one seller for this product, and probably this could be trademark. Now as we click on the price and the one seller that is selling this, we notice indeed this product is only sold by him and is trademarked by the seller Home Product Warehouse. So we shall not list this. Now another example again of exception case where this list fulfills the 4 criteria of title, images, product feature, and product description. However, the telltale sign again shows there is only one seller for this product and it is probably trademarked by Sunny Offer. So we shall not list this listing as well. A quick summary of the items that we do not list. Now we do not list things in the clothing category, jewelry, items with high returns like electronic items, shoes, books, CD, and any kind of branded items. Now, how about seasonal items? Well, in the summer, we could list barbecue related products. We could also list items such as swimming pool floats and also summer partial umbrella set. Now in the winter, we could list items like swimming pool covers, partial umbrella cover, partial sofa cover, and shower. Now for festive seasons like Halloween and Christmas, usually we do not bother to list any items related to that, as the prices are really too competitive and there's no point in fighting with the prices. Now let's take a look at a checklist of whether can we list the item. Now if we find this item in eBay that has a brand and in Amazon there is no brand, can we list? Well, it depends, to be safe. If eBay there is no brand and Amazon there is a brand, it is a no, we cannot list. If eBay there is a brand, Amazon there is a brand, there is a no, we cannot list as well. If eBay there is no brand and there is also no brand in the listing that we found in Amazon, there is a yes, we can list in Amazon. Now let's take a look at an example of a scenario. Now a product is sold on eBay for $50. You search on Amazon and found 3 similar product listings. Now the first listing has a selling price of $80 and ranking of 100,000 and there is no brand. And the second listing, the selling price is $100, ranking 20,000 and there is no brand. Now the third listing, selling price is $120, there is a ranking of 50,000 and there is no brand. Now question, which one would you list? Now the answer is we list all 3. Why? First, we look at the selling price. If there is a price difference where the minimum price of 80 is more than 50, definitely with all the expenses that we take into account in our previous calculation, there is a profit. Now second, we look at ranking. Now there is ranking for all 3 listings, which means the item is likely to move and sell pretty fast. Now third, which is what we have been talking about on brands, so there are no brands, therefore it's a straight go to list it.